Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan GT Limited. What we're going to do is we're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just getting outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. Getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. Really helps our out-of-towners, out-of-staters. We offer transport and delivery options. So please keep that in mind. I'm sure you already know all of our vehicles, they do come with warranty. So it's always a plus. As you can see, the Grand Caravan roof rack, backup camera. Get down on the wheels and tires here in just a moment. Those look like they're brand new as well. Really a good looking van. The tinted windows. Yeah, let's get down here on tire size. You can read that, but yeah, brand new tires all the way around. Beautiful van. We'll get to the inside condition and features here in just a moment. Fog lights. Say there's a sunroof up there, but I don't think so. So let's do this. It actually has a remote start, so we'll lock this guy. Double tap, hold that down, turn it over. We'll unlock some doors here. Captains. That nice rolled leather with the red stitching. Power windows, power locks, powered seats. It's the condition of seats. I don't see any rips, tears, or stains. The accent lighting up there looks really good at night. The fronts, they are captain's chairs, as you can see. Again, no rips, tears, stains. It's a beautiful van. Captain's chairs here in the middle as well, as you can see. Does have the DVD player up there, the rear air. Look at these. Third row here for you the best I can. We'll get the very back for you here. Cargo. Let's get some features up front. Radio controls, steering wheel controls there, some mileage there, media center there. It says heated steering wheel, heated seats. You have the Eco, you have that option. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood. The car is going to die when I pop the hood, but that's fine. Should have probably done this prior. Alright. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like getting this in here for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you have an idea of what you're looking for. Now, once again, all of our vehicles, they do come with warranty. They all get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things. We wouldn't offer a warranty otherwise. But let's turn it over here real quick for you. As you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Let's put it in reverse. The backup camera for you. Alright, we'll turn on some lights. We'll go back to the engine here again. The accent lighting in this thing is just So nice at night. So nice. There it is, purring along beautifully. Well, hopefully this helped answer, excuse me, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I am happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time.